What's going down? It's me, T-Rail. Man, we're gonna take us a ride in the F350 and just gonna give y'all a truck vlog today. And we will see y'all in a bit in the F350. Alright, it's in the morning. I gotta do something to this F350 to get it running. Look, y'all, it's been raining, man. I left my windows down. Anyway, it's a little chilly out, and I gotta plug my go plugs up. See, it's a dually, man. It's a diesel. Diesel's got to have them go plugs plugged up. So we're gonna come up in here and grab extension cord. Grab the extension cord. And then we're gonna plug her up. And what you do is you plug that up right there. Yep, you just plug it up. See, it's got an outlet. Something plug into the outlet. And plug it up. Let them go plugs heat up a little bit. Go goddamn roll these damn windows up as soon as I left my shit down last night. Well, and the damn seats aren't wet. That's good. Damn, seats ain't even wet. Hot damn it. I done good. Didn't get my seats wet. Let's roll these some bitches up. Roll that some bitch up. And then let's close this. All right. I'll see you when we get her cranked. Well, the damn F350 decided not to crank. The starter has went out on it. I am now waiting on my grandma to call me back so I can go use my grandfather's truck to deliver my pizzas for my job today. And that truck is a Dodge Ram 4x4. So we'll see you in that one. Peace out. What's up? Getting out of the Dodge Ram, boy. Look at that Ram F1500 V8 Magnum, boy. How you like that? 4x4. USA. Forever. I gotta take care of old granddaddy's truck. Got some dents, got a dent in them. She's nice. Get that 4x4. I'm in a damn 4x4 now, damn it. Look at her. Hell yeah. We're gonna get up in this some bitch. Look, y'all, it's nice up in here. Nice and clear. Heck yeah, boy. So, I'm gonna go to the house from here and, y'all just sit tight real fast. Damn, seatbelt on. Let y'all, get some of this Dodge Ram 4x4 truck vlog here. So we're gonna roll up out this parking lot and get on to the house. That's I'll vlog around here all the time. Y'all should be used to this spot. It's a nice truck, man. She drives very smooth. She drives very smooth. I like it. Nice in here, man. Man, it's nice. Ain't better than my F1 though, you can believe that. That's nice. Damn sure nice. No, I ain't finna go take my grandfather's truck in the mud. He'll beat my ass. I come back, his goddamn truck muddy. Boy, y'all nuts. Not finna happen here. Wait on traffic. See, that's how you get through intersections safely, man. People turning right got the right of way towards the people turning left. Bye-bye parking lot. Almost at the house, y'all. A couple more streets up. And this gonna be the truck vlog. Turn right here. And the thickety thick. That's what's going down. We're gonna turn in here. Yeah, man, this truck drives good. I like it. It's a nice driving truck. Smooth riding. Smooth ride. Yeah. We get on down the road here. The laundry. That's funny. Well, we're almost there, y'all. Gonna take a right here. Hope y'all enjoyed the truck vlog. And my name's T-Rail. Like, subscribe, drop them comments. Definitely hit the like button. Peace.